Today, we're going to talk about this phone, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air. Cashing in a few favors this time. I managed to borrow a unit from a friend. Let's put it through its paces together. First, let's look at the design. It features a 6.31-inch flat-screen design. It is incredibly compact. For comparison, Apple's iPhone Air is slightly larger. The iPhone has a 6.5-inch screen. The Honor Magic 8 Pro Air measures just 6.1 millimeters in thickness. The official weight is 155 grams. Compared to the Fruit, Apple, it lacks a bit of that bling factor. This is mainly due to the difference in materials. The frame is made of anodized aluminum alloy, and the back cover is fiberglass. When it comes to the premium feel, Apple definitely has the edge. But Honor packs in 2 extra cameras, nearly double the battery capacity, and an additional speaker. Oh, and it's 10 grams lighter too. As for the 6.31-inch screen on the front, the bezel thickness and R-angle symmetry are practically perfect. The ultra-thin uniform bezels look wow. It is truly a feast for the eyes. What is more, since its overall footprint is a notch smaller than Apple's, it actually feels more refined and compact. The back is fiberglass. Its physical properties outperform glass in terms of impact resistance and weight. However, the texture isn't quite as premium. There are highlights in the craftsmanship though. The camera deco area features a tapered slope, making it feel very smooth. As for the top panel of the deco, it appears to be a separate piece of glossy material seamlessly integrated. The craftsmanship on the seams is excellent. You can barely feel any gap when sliding your finger over it. In terms of the camera system, it's a landslide victory over the iPhone Air. The Honor Magic 8 Pro Air, it actually managed to fit 3 cameras, and the specs are quite impressive too. A 50MP main camera with a 1/1.3-inch large sensor, a 50MP ultra wide lens, and a 64MP telephoto lens. It even supports telephoto macro photography. If you've ever seen smartphone teardowns, you'd know that camera modules take up a lot of internal space. Honor actually dared to do this and pulled it off. Truly impressive. There's a lot to see on the frame as well. First off, the punch holes are perfectly centered. Neither Samsung nor Apple managed to do this, but Honor did it. It even features a physical SIM slot, a dual SIM one at that. On top of that, it also supports dual eSIM. This means this Honor Magic 8 Pro can effectively handle 4 SIM cards at once. 4 SIM dual standby. There is an IR blaster at the top, along with a speaker grill. That means it features symmetrical dual speakers. What more can I say? Let's bring in the iPhone Air for a comparison. After listening, I feel the iPhone's audio has fuller low-end frequencies. But that mono sound is quite a letdown, especially in landscape mode. The listening experience feels quite awkward. The overall sound quality is clearly not as balanced as Honor's. As for the internal specs, let's start with the battery. Honor is a real industry leader when it comes to battery tech. For the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air, they V-packed in a 5500 mAh Lake battery, with 80W wired fast charging and 50W wireless. These battery and charging specs, within such a slim and elegant body, seem almost like 3-body sci-fi technology. Our tests included 2 hours of video TikTok plus 2 hours of Honor of Kings. The power consumption is around 30%. For the SoC, Honor has chosen the Dimensity 9500. It is a flagship SoC in its own right. Its performance under low to medium loads is quite impressive. In plain English, for everyday apps, which are typically light to moderate loads, the performance is excellent. The energy efficiency ratio is superb, providing a significant advantage for battery life. It puts much less strain on the battery. This is also more in line with the usage patterns of the typical Air target audience. After all, if your main goal is heavy gaming, I don't think that type of user would choose an Air model from any manufacturer. So, looking at the big picture, this Honor Air is very much a product with Chinese characteristics. A true all-rounder. Or rather, the fact that Honor can create a phone that is such an all-rounder in terms of specs, while maintaining such a sleek and graceful form factor, and then bring the project to market so quickly, shows that the company possesses impressive technical prowess and a strong market determination. Rumor has it that due to poor sales, the iPhone Air has seen its production slashed or even halted. But in my view, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air truly delivers on the thin and light experience, while fully meeting daily usage needs. With a guaranteed robust battery life, I am very much looking forward to the market feedback for this phone. If it sells well enough, so much so that it forces the Android camp to reconsider and restart the Air category, then it will truly be a case of the student surpassing the master. By then, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air within the mobile market, or at least within the mainland China market, could even be called the iPhone Air's harshest daddy.